Wait, Harvey. I wanted to show you how to wrap text and quotes for CSharp to put them in a literal using Ideal Automate. You can download Ideal Automate from GitHub at this URL. And once you download it and navigate to the executable called Ideal Automate Explorer, this Ideal Automate Explorer, the executable in the bin directory for that folder, I'll show it to you here. Inside that folder, and click on that, you'll get something that looks like this. Select File Explorer. And then at the bottom, there's some there's a WPF application that I wrote to allow you to wrap text and quotes for C#. So to execute it, you just right-click on the folder and say Run. And it comes up with put the text in a notepad file, open it and save it, and hit OK to continue. So this is text that I'm want to wrap into a literal for C#, a coding example. So it's already been saved. I'll save it again. Click OK. And there it's wrapped it. Wherever there was a quote, it doubled up the quotes or escaped the quotes. And just put a quote in the front and the back and makes it easy. Thanks for watching.